Hey, I'm Ross with Sky Management, and today our project was repairing a washing machine that had a leak in the front of the machine. And when we looked into it, it was the drain pump. This is the impeller of the drain pump, and it was all melted on the inside here. And what we'd had happen was there was a bra wire or a swimsuit wire that had fit through the holes on the inside of the machine and gotten down into the drain pump and seized up the motor, and then as it was trying to turn, it melted it all back here and was leaking out the pump. Now, there is a couple ways to replace these. You can take the whole front of the machine off by unclipping the clips in the back and take the machine apart and replace this on the front, and it is easier to get this part on and off that way, but you can just do this from the bottom. And what we're going to show here is tilting the machine backwards, and I had my brother hold it up there backwards while I reached underneath and replaced this little impeller motor. It's not the motor, it's the impeller of the pump. It just clips on with two clips over the top, and then there's two hoses that clip on to the end here. The only thing you really need to change this is a decent pair of pliers to get those clips on and off of the hoses.